there's no obvious pathway for a rangatahi who finds themselves with nowhere to stay at night. And unless they are already aware of organisations like LifeWise or Strive or Vision West or Salvation Army or Mā Te Huruhuru, there is no obvious answer to say this is what you need to do if you are homeless tonight. You need to go to this place, you need to ring this person, te mea, te mea, te mea. And then one of the things that also alarmed me is that it's so complicated.
So what I've always seen is the huge amount of discrimination and barriers that our rangatahi face. And when you are a person who's houseless, because, you know, in Aotearoa, our people are never homeless because this is our home. But if you're houseless and without shelter, you know, the basics of life and necessities, you usually don't have support. So there's discrimination and barriers absolutely everywhere, but more of our system, and I'm talking about all aspects of the system from, you know, MSD to youth payment providers to even housing providers, you know, right across the board to corrections, mental health, health services. There needs to be rangatahi focused, bespoke rangatahi, you know, Kaupapa Māori driven solutions that are out there for our rangatahi, that they're not just walking into adult solutions, because all of the housing solutions are adult solution focused.
Now that we've got the data on the table, this is going to open up huge opportunities, not only for our organisations, but for other youth housing providers. And I say youth housing because that's where we specialise in. To be able to access now greater funds, it'll give us more opportunity. So we're very ecstatic to receive this data, and also very sad because of how now the picture looks. And we've been fighting for this cause for a while, but you know, as we said, without the data, with no data, no idea. And we've got an idea now. We want to put it back onto the government. Now that we've got the data, we need to put together a strategic plan. There has to be something that comes out of this. We need a call to action from them. The community are willing to do it. We've been doing it already in kind, you know, voluntary hours. So we can now, we've got tools in our kits here to use as weapons to fight stronger and harder.